Ever been stuck in a group chat trying to decide where to grab lunch or what movie to watch? WhatsApp polls are here to rescue you from decision fatigue. Let's dive straight into creating a poll within WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp chat where you want to create the poll. This could be a group chat or even a direct message. Next, look for the attach icon on iOS. It's the plus sign located at the bottom left corner of your screen on Android. It's usually a paperclip icon at the bottom. Tap on it. This will bring up a menu of attachment options. You should see options like document, camera, gallery, and poll. Tap on the poll option. You'll now be taken to the create poll screen. Here, you'll see a field to type your question. This is where you ask what you want to get opinions on. Type in your question, make it clear and concise so everyone understands what they are voting on. For example, you could ask, where should we have lunch? Now, it's time to add your answer options in the fields below the question. Type in the different choices people can vote for. Add as many options as you need. Below the answer options, you may see an option to allow multiple answers. If you want people to only pick one choice, make sure this toggle is turned off. Once you're happy with your question and answer options, tap the send button. It usually looks like a paper airplane icon and is located in the bottom right corner. And there you have it. Your poll is now live in the chat. People can tap on their preferred option to vote. As people vote, you'll see the results updated in real time. It's a simple way to make decisions and gather feedback from your group chats. Now go forth and conquer those group decisions with the power of WhatsApp polls.